So our black soap shampoo is ready. So if you live in Nigeria and you need this black soap shampoo, kindly let me know in the comment section down below, then I can make it for you and send it over to your location. Okay, so good to have you back, and thank you for joining me once again. It is always my pleasure for me to talk to you and to tell you about the different things you could actually use to enhance a healthy hair growth. In case you don't know, my name is Heidi Francis and I am damn passionate about the natural hair, especially helping the African women to appreciate the beauty of their African hair and to help a lot of women go from the relaxed hair to the natural hair. Okay, so today in this video you will be learning how to make your own shampoo using the black soap right in the comfort of your home. Okay, I mean using the black soap and other essential ingredients to make a shampoo right in the comfort of your home, and those things are actually things that help boost a healthier hair growth. You know, the black soap is actually 100% natural and it's actually driven from a lot of natural stuff, and that's so I actually put this stuff together and we're gonna be using that to make a shampoo. So this is the black soap shampoo that I am actually talking about. I just make this and I actually use it for my hair and it's actually very good. I actually mix this and use it with other essential ingredients to make this shampoo. Don't worry, because you will be learning how to make this right in the comfort of your home if you are ready. Okay, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do well and hit the subscribe button and the bell that is just right beside it so that you will always be notified anytime a new content like this drops in this channel. And if you have further questions, I mean private questions that relates to hair care, please kindly kindly send me a DM and I'm going to attend to it ASAP. Okay, and if you really want to know how I actually mix the stuff together to make this black soap shampoo, please come with me and I'm gonna show you right away. The African black soap, of course, this is actually our major ingredient for this shampoo. So I'm just gonna cut little pieces into into my plate like this. This is always necessary, especially for the raw and unprocessed black soap, because it usually has sand in it. So I'm not going to be using all. As for the benefit of everything I'm going to be using, I'll actually leave them in the description box down below, so kindly check that out. Okay, this should be enough for like 250 ml. Then I have here a cup of hot water and I'm just gonna pour this in everything. So adding hot water to your black soap will enable it to dissolve quicker and sooner. So we're just gonna allow this to dissolve, and once it dissolves, then we can go ahead and mix it with the rest of the ingredients that we have. Okay, I don't know whether you can see this. So my black soap has completely melted, like dissolved, and this is what I have. So I'm gonna be adding 1 tablespoon of the Chebe powder. I don't know whether you've heard about the Chebe powder. Is actually used by the local women in Chad. I actually forgot I would have added this Chebe powder when I was mixing this whole thing together, but it doesn't really matter. I'm still going to add it since I will be sieving this out. Chebe powder is actually very good and it's been used by women in Africa to help grow their hair long. So if you are making this and you can lay your hands on the Chebe powder, please ensure that you mix the black soap with the Chebe powder all together and let it dissolve. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to sieve this. It is always, if you are using the unprocessed black soap, please kindly sieve it out because it actually leaves a lot of particles and it has sand in it. You could see. So I'm going to add a little water to help take this all out. After doing that, then this is what we have. Then it is the time for me to go in with other ingredients. So I'm going to be using the glycerin and the rose water. Okay, so I'm just going to measure this. 1, so I'm using 3 tablespoons of the glycerin and rose water. So if you have only the glycerin, it is fine as well. Then I have here the palm kernel oil that I actually bought from one of the local women here in Nigeria, or local women here in Nigeria, anyone. Okay, so I'm gonna be adding some of this palm kernel oil as well. So 2 tablespoons of the palm kernel oil. Then I have here my hair growth oil that I actually mixed with this, the Jamican black castor oil. I actually mixed it here, so there is no point, so I'll just take from here and add. So I'm going to be adding 1 tablespoon of my hair growth oil, then few drops of my Harmony here. Then the next thing is my tea tree oil rather. So I have my tea tree oils, which I'm going to be adding few drops of it to it. Then 1 tablespoon of the coconut oil. This is just how I like my black soap. So you don't necessarily need to add all these oils together. You could actually add the few that you have. Just like I like my hair to be a bit oily and moisturized because of the kind of hair porosity that I have. So I'm gonna be adding 1 tablespoon of my Moringa oil. See? So after adding this, I'm going to mix everything together. Then I'll transfer it into a container which I'm gonna store it. You could actually store this stuff for a long time. I think the one I made last time, I stored it for over 2 weeks and it did not go bad. So our black soap shampoo is ready. So if you live in Nigeria and you need this black soap shampoo, kindly let me know in the comment section down below. Then I can make it for you and send it over to your location. Okay? Hey, thank you so much for watching my video up till this particular point. I hope you enjoyed the process and you're going to try this out, and when you try it out, let me know how it actually worked for you in the comment section below. Kindly share your experience. You are in Nigeria, especially in Nigeria for now, and you need the Chebe powder, please kindly let me know in the comment section down below, and I'm going to help you get the Chebe powder. If you need the palm kernel oil that I used in this video, kindly let me know. I mean other ingredients. If you need ingredients, please let me know in the comment section down below, and I'm going to get it to you ASAP. Okay, So until another time when I come your way, my name is Ida Francis. Bye.